Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to look at how to detect faces in images and videos using the cvlib Python library. cvlib has a simple to use function for face detection. All it takes is just one function called cv.detectFace. Under the hood, it uses an SSD model with lightweight ResNet 10 backbone, so it is fast and it can run in real time on CPU. Let's go to the notebook. So first let us install the cvlib Python package using pip. And download sample image and video for testing. Let's import the necessary packages. We will be using opencv for reading and writing image and video and for drawing rectangles. We will be using IMSO patch from Google since the native IMSO functionality from opencv is difficult to use within Colab. Let's read the input image using imread. And pass the image to the detect face method. Detect face method actually returns the bounding box coordinates and the confidence scores for the detected faces. Now let's loop through the detected faces one by one and draw a rectangle around it. Now let's check the output image. As we can see, it has detected the faces in the input image. We can use imwrite functionality to save the output. On the file section, we can see that output image has been saved and we can download it to our local system as well. Now let's try it on a video. Let's read the input video using the video capture functionality from opencv. Let's get some details about the video file like the width, height, frames per second and the total frames in the video. And also initialize the video writer for writing the output video. Now let's loop through the frames one by one and apply the same process. We have 381 frames in total in the video and we are processing the frames one by one and detecting the faces in every individual frame. So now we have completed processing all the frames in the video and now let's release the resources as well. Let's download and check the output video. As we can see, it has detected the faces in the input video. That was it. It is as simple as that to do face detection with cvlib. You can try it with a different input image and video and test it. And you can download this notebook using the link in the description. Please let me know in the comments if you face any issues while running the code. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.